just catching up on some reading. I'm Blythewood High School's Ben Ehrlich. You may know me from such classes as Global Studies 1 and Sociology. I've also won such fictional awards as World's Best Teacher and Best Beard at Blythewood. Okay? But today I'm here to talk to you about something serious, something called sanctions. Now, what sanctions are rewards and punishments used to enforce the conformity of norms. Can anybody out there remind us what norms are? Yes, you're right, Valicia. Norms are rules about how to act in social situations. Okay? Now, sanctions are always going to be one of two types. They're going to either be positive. That's not right. Let's start over again. Now, sanctions are always going to be two different types. Okay? They're going to be positive or negative, and then they're going to be formal or informal. Okay? Anything formal would be something that if you do an action, you know that this will happen. It's not a surprise, it's expected. Okay? For example, if you were to get your 24 credits in high school, what would you get? Yes, a diploma. Okay? There's no magic 8-ball deciding whether you graduate or not. If you get your credits, you will graduate. Can anybody give me an example of a negative formal sanction? Now remember, this is something bad that is expected. If you do this, this will happen. Yes, that's right. If you are late to class, you get one of these, a tardy slip, which gets you 3 hours of detention. Again, there's no mystery here. If you are late, you will get the 3 hours. Hence, formal. Expected, formal. Now, the unexpected. Okay? These are things that are just spontaneous. They're not planned. Again, they can be both positive, like a reward, or negative, which is going to be a consequence. Okay? For example, if you were to answer a question correctly, insert name here, and I gave you a candy bar. Now that would certainly be unexpected. It's unplanned, right? You wouldn't normally get a candy bar for giving a correct answer, but in this case, insert name here, you did get a candy bar. Again, not planned, so it's going to be informal. It's a good thing, candy, so it's a positive informal sanction. Okay? Now a negative informal sanction. If you were to give me an incorrect answer and I were to punch you in the face, that would be, again, spontaneous. You don't know that if you were to give me a poor answer, that I would punch you in the face. It's unplanned. Now, if I have that as a rule in my syllabus, that if you give me a negative answer, I will punch you in the face, then it would then become formal. That's right. Both negative, but if it's unplanned, it's negative informal. If it's planned, it would be negative formal. This concludes our video on sanctions. Again, sanctions, rewards or punishments used to enforce the conformity of norms, used to make you do what you should do. Again, they can be either positive or negative, and both formal or informal. Remember, informal, it's spontaneous, it's unplanned, it's spur of the moment, like this. Okay? And then formal is planned. You know that if you do this action, you will get this. If you get all the right answers on the test, you will get 100. Sound good? All right, great. And remember, don't judge a book by its cover. And remember, it's not the sociology in the class, it's the class in the sociology. Good stuff right there. And remember, boom goes the dynamite. And remember, pick me for big brother, pick me for big brother, pick me for big brother, pick me for big brother. That was on point.